Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. If you are a geek like me, you probably had an issue with Internet Download Manager and its fake serial number. But the solution is pretty simple. You will just have to download a simple file and that's it. First of all, you will go to your browser, paste this link, download the file. Yeah, I live in Egypt, so don't expect the fastest internet in the world. So we'll just put it right here. I already have it, but let's download it. Open the folder, unzip it. Here it is. Just double click on this file. Standard installation of the program, and next. Continue installation, next. Select anywhere you like, but just keep it right here. It's the default location. Just keep these settings as they are now. Don't close the applications, and next. And we're done. He will ask you if you want to restart. Just no, I will restart the computer later. Finish, and that's it. After that, just open your browser, settings, or just go to extensions, and you will find this one right here, IDM integration module. Just toggle this and you're done. If you want to go to any video on YouTube, for example, you'll see this one right here, and you can change the quality in order to get it multiple download options right here. You just click and you can download, and that's it. If you enjoyed the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.